What's happening, everybody? Back with another video. I decided to do Waffle House again this morning. Woke up hungry, did a little workout, built up my appetite, so Waffle House it is. So I got this cheese and grits. Looks pretty good. Too bad it don't have shrimp in it. I got the omelet. It's a custom omelet. I had ham, smoked ham, you know, vegetables, mushrooms, cheese. And that's it right there with some toast. That's it right there. Okay. I also got lunch too, but I'll break that out here in a minute. Let me start on this omelet right here. Now this is a strange omelet. Usually the omelet, the stuffing is within the egg, but it looks like they mixed everything together. That's it right there. I don't know if I can see that very good or not, but should have everything in there. All right, here we go. That's good. Nice and fluffy. So these grits we're talking about here. It's pretty good. Put some of that butter in there. Hope you guys are staying safe out there. I'm sure y'all have heard of the new variant going around. Oh yeah. Man, that's good. Some of the omelet. Got a medium Mr. Pibb. Asked for a small coffee, but I guess I can see through the cup. Coffee comes up to about right here. It's about as small, I guess, but some coffee for my breakfast food. A little grape jelly on a buttered piece of toast. That's good. They're good. Okay guys, this is the Texas cheese melt sandwich. Okay, it's got bacon, it's got beef in it, it's slices of beef, sauteed onions with cheese. And that's it right there. Yeah, look at that. That looks good. Good piece of bacon. Oh, look at that though. That looks pretty good. Look at that. Yeah. Here we go. That's good. Love meat and cheese. That's good. Hash browns. They didn't give me no ketchup, so I gotta eat this dry. Aww. Alright, last half. I just dropped a piece of onion. Crap. That's good. Okay, that was the video. Waffle House. It's pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a 9. A solid 9. I wish they would have given me some more condiments like sauce packets and stuff like that. The sandwich is a little bit dry, you know, but it was still tasty. But because of the fact that it was a little bit dry, it didn't make it as good. Didn't taste as good as it would. Okay, but I'm gonna give them a solid 9. Really, you can't go wrong with the Waffle House. You know, I've been eating there for so long. You know, pretty much everything is usually good. You know, the patty melt's one of my favorites there. You know, if you haven't tried the Waffle House, I believe it'll be worth it if you went out your way to go eat some Waffle House. Okay, it's pretty good stuff. You know. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Feel free to like and comment. You know what? If y'all have tried the Waffle House, comment down below and let me know what y'all tried. You know, and let's compare. All right. I think the Waffle House is more of a Texas thing than anything. I mean, Texans really love going to the Waffle House. But beautiful day in Houston. It's supposed to be raining just a tad bit, but I don't see no storm clouds. All I see is blue coming out. So it looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day here in H-Town. But that was the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Appreciate you watching. Till next time, peace.